The next thing we're going to talk about is what we call fashion film. Now, fashion film is the same protection, the same self-healing properties as your gloss paint protection film, your clear bra that we install on most vehicles. But here we have different color change options and different patterns. And if you look over here, we have the high gloss carbon fiber on our car. Every piece that was originally piano black, you can kind of see we cut some strip. This is the original, and then we put carbon fiber, and we did that for a couple other areas, like our gas tank cover. And then this is it's a shimmery pearl, and this is a shimmery purple. And then what you see here and here, you've seen elsewhere. So this Damascus pattern is the same as this, but I overlaid it on top of this red. And for the carbon fiber, I overlaid it on top of this blue. And what it is the film comes in a translucent color with just the pattern visible. And I did that to illustrate what it looks like on a different color. And then this is really cool. This is on black and it appears as like a purple shimmery. But if you put it on a different color paint, it looks different on just about every type of paint. And then we have a matte black, we have a gray, and we have a gloss black, which is useful. And then the red and the blue. So we got a lot of these custom colors, and like I said, it provides the same level of protection. We use it on our car, self-healing, rock chip protection, scratch protection.